We've seen damage and outages in all regions of New Hampshire. It's been spread across the state.
Just up the street from the downed wires, Eddie Monroe was digging out his generator. He says he really noticed the winds kicking up around 11:30 Wednesday night.
I didn't really hear it downstairs, but upstairs in bed, I could hear it, and the house was shaking.
His wife, Barbara Monroe, works as a visiting nurse. The road in front of their house was closed in both directions, forcing her to change her schedule.
We work at home, we start, and we have to connect our laptop through a VPN to see our patient list and get all the latest information. I couldn't even do that this morning.
Eversource, the state's largest utility, says it has made a sizable dent in the outages.
We've restored power to more than 52,000 customers in New Hampshire, and that includes approximately 22,500 by our remote system operators.
New methods are also helping those efforts.
In Barrington specifically, where we were able to deploy the rapid pole and restore just under 500 customers with the rapid pole while our crews work to make the permanent repairs there.
But as that happens, people around the state will have to cope, even if it means being slightly disappointed to discover it was only a news crew in the street.
I wanted to run out and get some coffee, and when I got to the end of the driveway, I saw you guys, and my first thought was, oh, yay, are you restoring the power? And I found out, no, that's not who you are.
Sorry about that, Barbara. Anyway, Eversource says they are concerned that these high winds, if they continue through the afternoon, well, that'll lead to more outages, even in some places where the power's been restored. Reporting live in Manchester, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.